Hello guys, I am Kevir Athiaru. Welcome to Dream Developers. In the previous video, we had seen the architecture of Kotlin language. Now, in this video, we will check out variables and data types in Kotlin. So, let's begin. First, what is variable? Variables are used to store data to be manipulated and referred in the program. It is used to store data. In other words, we can say that the variables are the containers to collect information and store information. In Kotlin, variable can be defined using val or where keyword. Let's see how to declare a variable in Kotlin. For example, define a value 10 like the age of the person. To declare a variable, we can use val or where keyword in Kotlin. So where age colon integer equal to 10. Here age is a variable name, int is a data type and 10 is a value. In Java, we will write int with the lowercase of I. But in Kotlin, we have write capital I because in Kotlin everything is an object and there is no primitive data type in Kotlin. Now, we can also declare a variable without the data type like where age equal to 10. These both are same and age is become integer automatically dependent on the value. Let's take another example of string. Define a value Keyur, name of a person, where name colon string equal to Keyur. We can see that the string S is also capital because in Kotlin everything is object. Or we can also write name equal to Keyur. These both are same. Now, using where we can change its value anytime in a program. Therefore, it is also known as a mutable. Now let's see variable declaration using val keyword. Val is like a constant variable and we cannot change its value later in the program. It is also known as immutable variable. Now let's take the example. Val age colon int equal to 10 or val age equal to 10. These both are same and we cannot change the value of age throughout the program. Now let's check the data type in Kotlin language. In Kotlin, there is a boolean, byte, character, short, integer, long, float, double. These all are the data types available in Kotlin. Now, in Kotlin, all are the objects. So, there is no primitive data type in Kotlin language. Now, boolean has a size of 1 byte, integer has a size of 32 bytes, long has a size of 64 bytes, float has a size of 32 bytes and so on. Now these all are the objects, so it must be initialized. There is no default value for this data type. Now here you can see the example of this data type. Like boolean has a true or false value. These are some character values and -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. These are the integer values and so on. Here we can see that after value there is an alphabet defined such as 2, L, 3.4, F. Why? Because the alphabet is used to tell compiler that this value is type of long, float or double. Now let's move to our IntelliJ IDE and see the demo program. Let's take an example of person's name, age, city and salary. VAL space name colon string equal to Keyur. Here I have given val keyword because the person name cannot be changed throughout the program. Now val age equal to 12, val city equal to Rajkot and val salary. Here I am defining salary of float type. Now to print this, we will use print statement. Name. Now if we use println, then it will print on the new line. Let's run our code. Here you can see the output. Now if we try to change the name of person, then compiler will give us an error. Here you can see that compiler is giving us error because of we have defined a name as a val keyword. So we cannot change the value of name throughout the program. Thank you for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe.